how to sign out of all other sessions on your account on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to roblox.com website. This is the homepage. Now go here in the top corner, click on settings, and after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is click on security, and right here you will find this secure sign out, and you can sign out all other sessions from here. Just click on it like this. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.